This is Airy Elegance, and she is so beautiful. That is Upgrade Courtney, because they are quite similar, however there are some distinct differences. They are both in the same color. This is shade 624R, which is described as a dusty ash brown. I also have both in 16 inches. Now, as far as hair density, Upgrade Courtney is 130%, whereas Airy Elegance is 120%. Also, they're both made with Burmese human hair, so it's super soft, silky feeling hair. Now let's take a look at the inside. This is Upgrade Courtney, and it's a 7 by 8 inch base. This is a hand-tied mono top, and the front hairline is quite thin, which is great. It lies really flat and looks very natural. Airy Elegance is a slightly smaller base. This is 6.5 inches by 7 inches, and this is made of Swiss lace, again hand-tied Swiss lace with a closed lace front. Turning it over, this is Upgrade Courtney, and as you can see my finger moving behind here, so it's a nice natural looking part. And then here's Airy Elegance, which in my opinion is even more translucent. I really like the look of this. All right, so I just threw on Upgrade Courtney so I can remind you what it looks like. This is her. There's lots of hair to work with, but in my opinion, it's not too much hair. It's a great density. I have it just slightly back from the front of my hairline, and I've gone ahead and blended in some of my own bio hair. So I've kind of brushed everything together. This is what the top looks like. I love these layers. Both toppers come with layers starting at 7 inches. I think they're really cute. Looks especially cute when you go ahead and pull your hair back, because then you can pull out some of these front pieces. But yeah, this is Upgrade Courtney. Now we're gonna try Airy Elegance. So just like before, I have my hair parted in the same area that this topper is currently parted in. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it on over the top, line up the two parts here, open up the clip, scoop some hair and clip it down. So this is Airy Elegance, and like I said, it has a very similar look. It is the same color, same length, has the same layers in the front here. It is slightly less density, and I love it that way. It feels nice and lightweight on the head. Coming in close, it has a closed lace, so you are able to pull it all the way forward and cover your front hairline if you want to. Here's a close-up look of the part. I think it looks really, really good. Because this part line is so translucent, I can set it back a little bit and it's undetectable. Combine my own hair together with the actual topper. So that's what it looks like when I set it a little farther back, and that totally works as well. I find that both these toppers lay nice and low profile on my head, which is definitely important to me. As far as how they both feel very, very lightweight and breathable, no issues there. If I had to compare the two, I definitely think this one is even more breathable and even more lightweight, but like I said, I love the Upgrade Courtney as well. Just for reference, this one looks super cute as well, pulled up into a ponytail. But yeah, I think that's about it on the comparison between Upgrade Courtney and Airy Elegance. Honestly, I love both of them. I'm so happy that I got to play around with both of them. If I had to choose right now in this moment, and that could change, I think my preference is Airy Elegance, just because she's lower density and I really prefer that. I also really like the look of the lace and the front here. I just feel like it's slightly more natural.